Alright, just got finished with my HEB spree, which is always fun. The car wash there is coned and the machine is really screwed up and dirty, so really not surprised at all. The next wash we're going to do is this 7-Eleven just down the street to the north a little bit. They have a red SoftGloss Maxx, not a Max 5, a regular Max. So I figured I've done a Max 5. I have to U-turn into it. Done a Max 5, done a soft wash, done a choice wash, and haven't done a red Max at a 7-Eleven yet. And pizza. I hope it's still in there. Oh no, it got replaced with another one of these. If I want to do it, sure, why not? I filmed the other two in Plano, let's do this one anyway. Oh well. I guess the red Max got replaced recently with this. Not really the biggest fan of these, but certainly better than others. Well, let's see how many bugs or little issues this one has. Guess we'll find out. Yep, 8, 10, 12.
Please insert payment.
These pay stations are always too high up for my car that's always so low to the ground.
Please wait while your transaction is being processed.
Okay, I didn't need one, but okay. Yeah, this one does look very new. And straight to the tri-foam. This one has wheel scrubbers on it. I like how 7-Eleven keeps their washes cheap. That I really do like. I know on the newest versions of these machines, they've fixed some of the bugs from what I've heard. Although I can't confirm that. Although it's been a while since I've done one of these. Shaking my car around. It's not normal for one of these. Okay. Putting on the emergency brake. Yeah, this thing's definitely like very, very new. Kind of a matte wax coating, but $12 wash, I'm not complaining. How many different coats of ceramic and graphene and Renex and sealant? How many things was that? There's the spot for you. Alright, dryer time. This uses Ryko's newer blowers. They're not doing as good as the older ones. Well, they're still doing okay. At best. Well, the HEB was a bust, so I was just planning to do a bottom dollar retake. I'm going to swing by the old Mark 7 for the third time to see if that's working. And the dryer still did a decent job, so. Those dryers sound a little different than other Ryko dryers, so that's why I mentioned that. And I didn't get any wheel scrubbers on the top wash. I think I was forgetting something. Driving with the parking brake on. Well, I shouldn't have heard anything. I only drove it like 20 feet. Well. Sad that that red Max is gone. Another boring new Max 5, but oh well. Thank you all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. And that'll be it for this one.